The newly appointed members of Rongmongve Town Committee were administered oath on Saturday by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Kache Rong PP at Rongmongve. Altogether, 5 persons have been appointed to administer the newly created Rongmongve Town Committee. The new appointed office bearers are Sunaram Terang as Chairman, Puru Terang as Vice Chairman, and Biren Teron, Khorsing Terang and Rebecca Terang PS Ward Commissioners. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Mongol Singh Timung, Tarendra Brahma, MAC Dorsing Ronghang, MLA Joyram Inglang Longki Phangchu, and MAC Sima Ronghang P were also present during the swearing-in ceremony. After the swearing-in ceremony, Deng Pilangso Youth Club members facilitated the newly appointed office bearers with a traditional Karbi poho to express their love and appreciation. Dilip Togbi from Rongmongve, 365 News India.
Aputhak ethithini nang litum pen ison baka ciparaya son nang litum non pen do igloma.
Ciparaya mane loson lo.
Biang.
Ye nona kimi tahun komiti keseng lang ni tumka. Ye Rongmongve tahun komiti pulo lasuang kang edo arat. Ibi kiti pen cenglok. Tahun litum akhir bat pen litum handa me. Tahun komiti chairman cenglok. Membaranta itu pondo lepen ni tungnon ke klaim ponji kenan tu ada tupen da gede rada tupen itu ta ceng pon po klaim ponji pa lepen ni tum ke cengi amang kelal hemsu ceng pon po towa lepen ko istiglai
tangke nang tum la municipal board ahin pen non ke ongdung karbiang mane Rongmongve rongagora loke pota kabi atum dopiglang tangke nang tum la so pota putha galam nang tum ethithini khabori ponje phan than pon jekjima
lalu ni tum bori pon bomlo ade sini tum da kaso program dodi aprang tahun komiti kopila alternating dodi aprang kan ni tum tempon bomlo mondor phanda phone kuri lo lapen aku first step abangke pota pigjab lo second step dula na sini tum mondor phanda toilo la mondor phanda si dipu non pini pina bang bong tanang chun po kasuna ng chun along si gote kopila hor mong arat tum pinangan arat tum dak pota du long jap pota apen long li non aku pota kitem unde tum andame ni tum aku paklem poni phan pota di palongi phan bori pon